Hi everyone, this is Jane here, just here to show you my latest little mini journal. So this will just be a little flip through of it really. So we've got a little tie here with the key that we'll be using to tie that up. I hope you're all okay. It's been a little while since I've been on to put anything on in terms of craft, but hopefully should be back into it now. Had a few bits and pieces that had to be sorted out, loads of paperwork, nightmare, but we're done with that now, so hopefully I should be able to get back into things. So this is a little floral journal that I've done. It's the usual old tea box covered in, this is actually an old skirt and some bits of lace that I had and velvet that I had hanging around. So that's what I made with this. So there's loads of places to write again with this. Just got some stamps and stencils. Some stickers, bits and pieces. Little pockets. I really like these. I ordered some flowers for myself, and with the flowers came a sort of description of what all the different flowers were. So I cut them up and made them into page tabs. Really cool. It was fun. I really liked doing it as well. You know, when you found something you think, oh, I know I could do with that. Always feels good. This was, I think I did put a video up of making this masterboard that I did with some textures. I'm pretty sure I did. I'll link it down below if I can find it. If I haven't put it up, I'm sorry about that. I should have done, because that was actually really good fun to do. But if I haven't put it up, I've got some more to do, so I can do another one. I can do that. I've kept it all mainly to sort of pinks and greens and sort of botanical, but it's not completely. Got some mushrooms, toadstools, flowers. I love this scrapbook paper. Got little bits and bobs in here, tickets. This was off of that same bunch of flowers, just cut a heart out of it. I think it's really nice to order yourself a bunch of flowers every now and again. Cheers you up a bit, doesn't it? This has got a little tag that I made, and it's also got, I'll quickly show you this. like a little trifold place to write some bits and bobs. That lives in there with that. Just push one down a little bit more than the other so that they can both be seen. There we are. Love a bit of tracing paper just to give it a bit of texture. I was going to glue these down and make make pockets, but I didn't because I kind of felt like it might be quite nice to just be able to fold them out and read about the plants. So, you know, if somebody decides to buy it and they want to make that into pockets, they could do. Got a little space here to put something in. I wonder what I've got that I could put in there. I know what I could do. I could put a butterfly sticker in there. Maybe a little flower sticker. Then the person can put them wherever they want. This was just another little tab that I made from that same bunch of flowers. This was another little journal card that I made from the masterboard that I was talking about. I love this clock stencil. I'm thinking about doing a clocks, like a Victorian style clocky journal next, so maybe I will do that. So lots of little bits and pieces going on in there. This is from that same bunch of flowers, just cut the card up. It's blank on the back. I just thought it'd be a nice little journal card, or if somebody wanted to be writing in here and they wanted to have something a little bit more solid, it's not completely solid obviously, to lean on, they could use that. So that is my new little floral journal. This will go around it and just tie to keep it closed. So I've actually put that the wrong way around. Let's put that the right way around. So we want the key to be this way up. Put that through there. I thought that might be quite nice and easy, but I don't think it's going to be. Okay, that's one. That's two. Right, so we're the right way around now. The velvet facing out. Get that to around about the middle. And just pop it on there. Take it around the back. Cross it over. I'm not sure if there's going to be room. There will just about be. Actually, what I'm going to do is to make it nicer, I'm just going to tie it in a bow at the back. Not quite enough ribbon to go all the way around. But I think that looks quite cool. Let's move that down a little bit. So that is my new little floral stroke botanical mini journal. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed the video or you like the journal, just give me a thumbs up or a like or a subscribe or any of that good stuff. You can pop along to my Etsy store if you want to see this journal. There it is going to be up. Once this video is up, it will probably be already on the shop. So please do go have a look. Even if you're not intending to buy anything, it really helps if you could just go on and like the shop or like one or two of the items on there. It just really helps the shop to be seen, and it costs you nothing to do. So if anybody could do that for me, that would be brilliant. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you have enjoyed a little look at this, and I will see you all again soon because I do have some things that I'm planning to do. Thanks very much. Bye for now.